ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद on page number 613 we saw the last line in bhashya yadidam ekam advaitam paramarthatah swachham samsara dukkha asampraktam किन निमित्तोयम खिल्य भाव आत्मनो जातः मृतः आत्मनः किन निमित्तम खिल्य भाव जातो मृतः सुखी दुखी अहम मम इति एवं आदि लक्षणों अनेक संसार धर्मों उपद्रुत इति. So this khilya bhava means the notion of smallness, parichinna bhava. What is the nimitta for that? If you say there is one advitiya Brahma Tattva, like Samudra, Salilavat, in which Abda, Phena ityadi comes, Phena, Budbuda ityadi, how in samsara or in jiva the samsara has come. Because paramarthatah samsara dukkha asampraktam. So see page 614 now. Tika, second line we saw, khilya bhave nimittam darshayan uttaram aha. Khilya bhave nimittam is what? Uttaram uchyate. एतेभ्यो भूतेभ्यो यानि एतानि कार्य करण विषयाकार परिणतानि नाम रूपात्मकानि सलिल फेन बुद्बुदोपमानि स्वच्छस्य परमात्मनः सलिलोपमस्य. Paramatma is like salila. Salila means water, and that is swachha. Swachhasya salilasya. So Paramatma is like that. Salila upama yasya saha Paramatma salilopamaha tasya salilopamasya. In the bhasha it is etebhyo. Etabhyo, if it is given, make it etebhyo. Leave those two words, etebhyo bhutebhyo. यानी एतानि कार्य करण विषय आकार परिणतानि. यानी एतानि these कार्य करण विषय आकार परिणतानि, those which are parinata, modified in the form of कार्य करण विषय आकार परिणतानि नाम रूपात्मकानि, and they are नाम रूपात्मकानि. कार्य means स्थूल शरीर, karan means सूक्ष्म शरीर. सो टिप्पणी नंबर 1, स्थूल सूक्ष्म शब्दादि आकार परिणतानि नाम रूपात्मकानि सलिल फेन बुद्बुद उपमानि, and these are upama नाम रूप, they are what, they are like सलिलस्य फेन बुद्बुद इत्यादि. Now टीका says एतत् शब्दार्थम एतेभ्यो भूतेभ्यो, एतत् शब्दार्थम व्याकरोति यानि इति. So what is एतेभ्यो, यानि, एतानि, etc. एतेभ्यो is पंचमी विभक्ति, but here see panchami can be apadane panchami, it can be apadana karanam, and etebhyo also can mean hetu, for this reason. So here according to Anand Giriji, he has given, आपको भाष्यकार has also given etebhyo hetu bhutebhyah. In the next line it is given last word on that bhashya, etebhyo hetu bhutebhyo. So this is hetu rupa, not apadana karana but hetu कारण. हेतु अर्थ है पंचमी. टीका स्वच्छस्य परमात्मनः कार्यकरण विषयाकार परिणतानि इति संबंधः. स्वच्छस्य परमात्मनः कार्यकरण विषयाकार परिणतानि. So स्वच्छ परमात्मा has all of these in the form of karyakarana etc. And vishaya, all three are needed. Sthula sharira, sukshma sharira and bahya vishaya, ghata patati. Everything is paramatma only. विषयाकार परिणतानि इति संबंधः. तानि व्यवहार सिद्ध्यर्थम विशिनष्टि. व्यवहार सिद्धि, how it happens, because they have नाम रूपात्मकानि इति. तेषाम अति दुर्बलत्वं सूचयति. They are, दुर्बल means 8 number टिप्पणी, क्षणभंगुरत्वं, because they are like Thena, Budbuda, etc. They don't stay for long. Kshanabhangura they are. Swachhatve drashtantamaha salilopamasya, and swachhatva is like salila. तेषां प्रत्यक्षत्वे अपि प्रकृतत्व अभावे कथम एतत् शब्देन परामर्शः स्यात्. तेषां प्रत्यक्षत्वे अपि प्रकृतत्व अभावे, so they are प्रत्यक्ष, प्रकृतत्व अभावे कथम एतत् शब्देन परामर्शः स्यात्. The Hena, Budbuda, etc., they are Pratyaksha. And Namarupatmaka Jagat also becomes Pratyaksha. But it is not Prakrita. Prakarana is not of that. So Prakritatva Bhave, why are you using Etat Shabda? Etebhyo Bhutebhyo. एतत् शब्देन कथं परामर्शः स्यात् इति आशंक्य येषां विषय पर्यन्तानां प्रज्ञान घने ब्रह्मणि परमार्थ विवेक ज्ञानेन प्रविलापनम उक्तम नदी समुद्रवत्. येषां विषय पर्यन्तानां प्रज्ञान घने ब्रह्मणि परमार्थ विवेक ज्ञानेन. So विषय पर्यंतानाम up to the विषय means कार्यकरण विषय all of them प्रज्ञान घने घने ब्रह्मणि परमार्थ विवेक ज्ञानेन प्रविलापनम उक्तम all of their pravilapanam laya happens in Brahma. How it will happen? Through Paramartha Viveka Jnana. Without Paramartha Jnana, Pralaya will not happen. This is the Atyantika Pralaya that we saw in the last Pralaya. So the Atyantika Pralaya happens because of Paramartha Viveka Jnana. Pralaya of what? Everything. Karya, Karana, Vishaya, all of them. Vishaya Paryantanam Laya. Nadi Samudраvat. Like all the rivers, their laya happens in Samudra. Samudre Nadinam Iva, 5 number tippani. So what is indicated through this? That Paramatma is the one from which Paramatma becomes the Hetu. Etebhyo Bhutebhyo. Etebhyo Bhutebhyo. Etebhyo Bhutebhyo means these bhutas, they will become the nimitta. एतेभ्यो भूतेभ्यो यानि एतानि कार्यकरण विषय आकार परिणतानि. सीएनटी का ब्रह्मणि प्रज्ञान घने भूतानां प्रलये दृष्टान्तमाह नदी समुद्रवत्. ब्रह्मणि प्रज्ञान घने, ब्रह्म विच इज प्रज्ञान घन, भूतानां प्रलये where there is pralaya of bhuta दृष्टान्तमाह. हेतौ पंचमी इति दर्शयति हेतु भूतेभ्यः. In Bhashya it is given etebhyo hetu bhutebhyo. So this panchami is for hetu. एतेभ्यो हेतु भूतेभ्यो भूतेभ्यः. So etebhyah means hetu bhutebhyah and bhutebhyah is bhutebhyah. So now the vakya is hetu bhutebhyah bhutebhyah. Hetu rupa means because of this bhuta, bhutebhyah, from the bhuta. What is that bhuta? Bhuta means satya shabda vachebhyah samutthaya saindava khilyavat iti. सत्य शब्द वाच्यभ्यः भूतेभ्यः. इन टीका पूर्वस्मिन् ब्राह्मणे षष्ठ्यन्त सत्य शब्द वाच्यतया तेषां प्रकृतत्वम् आह. पूर्वस्मिन् ब्राह्मण वाज विच ब्राह्मण? Which was the पूर्वस्मिन् ब्राह्मण? Huh?
Ajatashatru.
No, Ajatashatru was first. Second was Shishu Brahmana. Third was Murta Brahmana. So in that Shashtyanta Satya Shabda, Shashtyanta Satya Shabda would be Satyasya, Satyasya Satyam. षष्ठ्यंत सत्य शब्द वाच्यतया तेषां प्रकृतत्वम् आह. तेषां कार्यकरण विषयाणां because the question was their prakritatva abhava is there, so he says now prakritatva has come. Satya shabda vachebhya means the topic that was going on satyasya satyam, right? Satyasya satyam. Satyasya will be what? Shashthyanta. Satya will be karya karana vishaya. All of that is satya. Tasya satyam is paramatma. सत्य शब्द वाच्यभ्यः समुत्थाय सैंधव खिल्यवत्, like the rock salt. Samuthaya means it arises from there. So we should think of it this way. Satyasya satya, that first satya is like Hiranyagarbha, from which karya karana vishaya all will arise. Hiranyagarbha satya is Paramatma. That is how it was given. Hiranyagarbha and Brahma, like that. All of you remember, is that how it was given online? Check otherwise. What is the page number?
554.
Page number 566. Or 565, either way you can take. 565, last line you see in Bhashya. Yattu vasana rupam avihitam ante sakrit vidyotanam iva iti tat kila hiranya garbhasya avyakritat pradurbhavatas tadit vat sakrideva vyaktirbhavati iti tadiyam vasana rupam hiranya garbhasya yoveda. So he refers to it as Hiranyagarbhasya Satya. Hiranyagarbha is Satyam, Vyavaharik Satya, which is all this Nama Rupa Vishaya, etc. Tasya Satya. Tika Yatha Saindhavaha San Khilyaha सिंधोस्तेजः संबंधम अपेक्ष्य उद्गच्छति तथा भूतेभ्यः खिल्य भावो भवति इत्याह. यथा सैंधवः सन खिल्यः, it is Saindhava and it is Khilya. It is arising from Sindhu waters and it is a small part. Sindhoho tejaha sambandham apeksha. When there is teja sambandha with the water, salty water, then there is salt. अपेक्षा उद्गच्छति तदा तथा भूतेभ्यः खिल्य भावो भवति. भूतेभ्यः कार्यकारणाद्यात्मना परिणतेभ्यः, that which undergoes modifications in the form of karyakarana bhava, then there is khilya bhava. So khilya bhava in Paramatma asamsari, how did khilya bhava come? Because of the sthula sukshma sharira. Because the sthula sukshma sharira means because of the tadatmya with sthula sukshma sharira. सो सैंधव खिल्यवत् इति। समुत्थानम एव विवृणोति। नाउ समुत्थाय एतेभ्य भूतेभ्य समुत्थाय यू हैव गिवन। व्हाट इज समुत्थाय? समुत्थानम इज यथा अद्भ्यः, देन नो पूर्ण विराम, यथा अद्भ्यः सूर्य चंद्रादि प्रतिबिंबो यथा वा स्वच्छस्य स्फटिकस्य अलक्तकादि उपादिभ्यो रक्तादि भाव एवं कार्यकरण भूत भूतोपादिभ्यो विशेषात्मखिल्य भावेन समुत्थाय सम्यक उत्थाय। लेट्स सी दिस मच। अद्भ्यः, जस्ट एज फ्रॉम द वाटर्स सूर्य चंद्रादि प्रतिबिंबो, not from the water, due to water. So because of water, Surya Chandradi Pratibimba Bhava comes. Surya Chandradi Pratibimbo. Yathava Swachhasya Spatikasya. Spatika, a crystal which is clear. Alaktaka is the Upadhi. In the proximity, if Alaktaka is there, Alaktaka, some red ink kind of, or a red piece of object. Upadibhyo, because of that, Raktadi Bhavaha. So they become the Hetu. That's why Hetu Arthe Panchame. Adbhyaha or Upadibhyo Raktadi Bhava. So Etebhyo Bhutebhyo Khilya Bhava. Sense of limitation arises from them. And due to them. रक्तादि भाव एवं कार्यकरण भूत भूतोपादिभ्यो। कार्यकरण भूत मीन्स कार्यकरण रूप, कार्यकरण रूप भूत उपादिभ्यो इन ड्यू टू देम हेतु पंचमी विशेषात्मक खिल्य भाव, द सेंस ऑफ फाइनिट्यूड, and in that also there is vishesha. If somebody says you are finite, I am finite, everything is finite. Why you are? No, I am special finite. This is the Vishesha Swarupa. Vishesha Khilya Bhava. Visheshatma Khilya Bhavena Samuthaya Samyak Uthaya Yebhyo Bhutebhyo Uthitaha. From these Bhuta Bhutebhyo Uthitaha. भूतेभ्य सी 5 नंबर टिप्पणी अविद्या शब्दितेभ्य इति वार्तिकानुसारी पंथा. सो भूतेभ्य मीन्स अविद्या शब्दित खिल्य भाव उत्थितः तानि यदा कार्यकरण विषयाकार परिणतानि तानि कार्यकरण विषयाकार परिणतानि भूतानि आत्मनो विशेषात्म खिल्य हेतु भूतानि आत्मनो विशेषात्मक खिल्य हेतु भूतानि शास्त्राचार्योपदेशेन ब्रह्म विद्यया नदी समुद्रवत् प्रविलापितानि विनश्यन्ति. So arising from avidya or arising due to avidya, यदा कार्यकरण विषयाकार परिणतानि भूतानि, these panchamahabhutas, when or avidya, when it is transformed as कार्यकरण विषय, आत्मनो विशेषात्म खिल्य हेतु भूतानि, that of the जीवात्मा विशेष आत्म खिल्य हेतु भूतानि, विशेषात्म खिल्य भाव, a particular sense of limitation, because that sense of limitation is different for different people also. somebody has smallness in one way, somebody has smallness in another way. We can use that as the Vishesha Kilya Hetu. But all those Visheshas, they are dissolved. They all are Anitya. Somebody today feels I am having sense of limitation because of one thing. After a few hours, they might have Khilya Bhav because of something else. But by Shastra Acharya Upadesha, Upadeshena Brahma Vidyaya Nadi Samudravat Pravilapitani Vinashyanti. Like how Nadi gets dissolved in Samudra, all these Khilya Hetu Bhutani Pravilapitani, they getting dissolved, Vinashyanti, they are all gone. So what is lost is sense of limitation. Parichinna bhava gets destroyed when Shastra Acharya Upadeshena Brahma Vidya. The context you should remember. What is said, you look at the mantra again. Page number 610. Etebhyo bhutebhyah samuthaya tani eva anuvinashyati. Due to this bhuta, it arises. And then what arises? Khilya bhava. Tani eva anuvinashyati. Means anuvinashyati, along with those bhuta, it also gets destroyed. Pay attention here. This mantra, that portion I will explain again so that it is clear, because next mantra is a question on this vakya. If this is not clear, that question also will not be clear. Khilya bhava is arising from this identification due to sthula sukshma sharira. That is avidya karyam. So when jnanam takes place through Shastra Acharya Upadesha, Brahma Vidya Upadesha, that jnanam will destroy Khilya Bhava. Once jnanam has taken place, Sukshma Sharira, Sthula Sharira, they all will be destroyed. No next Sthula Sukshma Sharira will be taken. After realization, Pretya Sanya will not be there. Na Pretya, Sanya will not be there. Pretya means after departing. Having departed, Sanya na asti. Iti are bravimi. This was on 610. Okay, let's go back. So Brahma Vidya Nadi Samudravat Pravilapitani. Pravilapitani Kani Visheshatma Khilya Hetu Bhutani. That which is the Khilya Hetu Bhuta, they are all destroyed. And Karya Karana Vishayakara Parinatani, all of that is gone. So for the Jnani, Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira is gone. Vishaya means Vishayatmaka Jagat is nothing but Brahma now. So while he is Jivan Mukta, everything is Brahma. Videha Mukta, everything is Lina. There is no need of any discussion further. Tika. Khilya hetu bhutani tatra hetutva upetani iti yavat. Upetani iti yavat. Khilya hetu bhutani. Khilya hetu bhutani is given in Bhashya in the last line. Visheshatma khilya hetu bhutani. So hetutva upeta. Upeta, what is the dhatu? इण गतौ, उपसर्ग पूर्वक इण गतौ. उपेत मीन्स हेतुत्व रूपेण असोसिएटेड, हेतुत्व उपेतानि, खिल्य हेतुभूतानि. यथा सी विनश्यन्ति इज फॉर भूतानि, बहुवचन. यथा सलिले फेनादयो विनश्यन्ति तथा तेषु भूतेषु विनश्यत्सु सत्सु अनु पश्चात खिल्य भावो नश्यति इत्याह. तेषु भूतेषु विनश्यत्सु सत्सु. When the bhutas are destroyed, then पश्चात खिल्य भावो नश्यति. खिल्य भाव also will be destroyed. In भाष्य सलिल फेन बुद्बुदादिवत तेषु विनश्यत्सु एव विनश्यत्सु अनु एव एष विशेषात्मक खिल्य भावो विनश्यति. Anu is there in the mantra. So when salila phena budbudadi what like them, teshu vinashyatsu, teshu uteshu vinashyatsu anu nashyati खिल्य भावो विशेषात्मक खिल्य भावो विनश्यति. ठीक है. फर्दर आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. ओके. किम पुनर्भूतानां खिल्य भावस्य च विनाशे सति अविशिष्यते अवशिष्यते. भूतानां विनाशे खिल्य भावस्य च विनाशे. Bhutas are also gone, khilya bhava is gone. What will remain? Kim avashishyate tatraha yatha उदक अलक्तकादि हेतु अपनये सूर्य चंद्र स्फटिकादि प्रतिबिंबो विनश्यति. चंद्रादि स्वरूपम एव परमार्थतो व्यवतिष्ठते. तद्वत् प्रज्ञान घनम अनंतम अपारम स्वच्छम व्यवतिष्ठते. Just like Udaka, Alaktaka. Two drishtantas were given. Udaka, Pratibimba of Surya Chandra. So Surya Chandra, Pratibimba in Udaka. And Alaktaka, Spatika. Spatika having Alaktaka as Upadhi. So Pratibimbo Vinashyati. Then what remains? Chandradi Swarupam or Spatika Swarupam. Paramarthataha Vyavatisthate. Like that, what will remain is only Prajnana Ganam Anantam Aparam Swacham Vyavatisthate. Na tatra Pretya Vishesha Sanya Asti. So now there is no Pretya Vishesha Sanya. In other words, if you want to be Jivan Mukta or Vidya Mukta, you visualize this is you. I will, neither bhutas will exist nor khilya bhava will exist. Right? That is what is said. Bhutas will not exist means sthula sukshma sharira vishaya, that is not present. And khilya bhava is not there. Sense of limitation is not there. Everything is gone. What is remaining? Prajnana ganam anantam aparam swachham. He said, this is who I am. And there is no Vishesha Sanya remaining. Tatra Pretya Vishesha Sanya na asti. Karyakaran Sanghatebhyo Vimuktasya iti evam are Maitreyi Bravimi. This is what Yajnavalkya says. This is what I am telling you. Tasya Vimuktasya. Maitreyi Bravimi. Nasti Vishesha Sanya iti in Bhashya. Tika tatra iti कैवल्य उक्ति तत्र न तत्र तत्र मीन्स एट द टाइम ऑफ कैवल्य मोक्ष उक्तमेव वाक्यार्थम स्फुटयति नास्ति इति नास्ति प्रेत्य संज्ञा भाष्य अहम असावमुष्य पुत्रो ममेदं क्षेत्रम धनम सुखी दुखी इति एवं आदि लक्षणा अविद्याकृतत्वात् तस्या अविद्यायाश्च ब्रह्म विद्या निरन्वयतो नाशितत्वात् विशेष संज्ञा इज अहम असौ आई एम सो एंड सो अमुष्य पुत्र सन ऑफ सो एंड सो मम इदम क्षेत्रम धनम दिस इज माय यू सी दिस लैंड दिस इज माय लैंड मम इदम क्षेत्र मम धनम सुखी दुखी आई एम सुखी दुखी इति एवं आदि लक्षणा ऑल दिस इज अविद्याकृतत्वात् these are all विशेष संज्ञा अविद्याकृतत्वात् तस्या अविद्यायाश्च ब्रह्म विद्या निरन्वयतो नाश्रितत्वात् and that avidya its niranvaya nasha has taken niranvaya nasha means not laya in karana nishesha nasha see ghata nasha if it takes place ghata goes back to kapala mrittika let us say. So it is not niranvaya nasha again it can come back but this is not like that in sushupti when we go it is not niranvaya nasha this is niranvayata nashitatvat kuto vishesha sanya sambhavo brahmavidash chaitanya swabhava avasthitasya then how vishesha sanya would be possible for a brahmavid whose swabhava is chaitanya swabhava avasthitasya शरीर अवस्थितस्यापि टीका ब्रह्मविदो अशरीरस्य विशेष संज्ञा भावम कैमुतिक न्यायन कथयति ब्रह्मविद हु इज अशरीर अशरीरम वावसंतम न प्रिया प्रिय शतः तो अशरीरस्य विशेष संज्ञा अभावम ही डजंट हैव एनी विशेष संज्ञा कैमुतिक न्यायन कथयति शरीरावस्थितस्य विशेष संज्ञा न उपपद्यते even when he is in sharira there is no vishesha sanya kimuta karya karana vimuktasya sarvata iti what to talk of videha mukta if jivan mukta itself doesn't have vishesha see others may say oh this is so and this ashram is of this mahatma and this is there that is there he or she should not think in this way this is me this is mine I am so and so nothing while he is Jivan Mukta. What to talk in case of Vidya Mukta, where Karya Karana Vimukta he is. Vimuktasya sarvata iti hovacha uktavan kila paramartha darshanam maitreye bharyaye yagyavalkya. Yagyavalkya gave paramartha darshan to Maitreyi bharya. टीका सुषुप्तस्य इति यावत् सर्वतः कार्यकरण विमुक्तस्य इति संबंधः सर्वतः कार्यकरण विमुक्तस्य ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ओम शांति शांति शांति।